Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don't swear in the 18 local government chairmen for the state. Una go remember say local government election shele for Edo State on Saturday 2nd, 2023. The governor can't swear in the local government chairman for Government House Benin City. Una go remember say one of the chairmen wey Mr. Governor swear in today na Eghe Ogbemudia wey first be chairman for 3 years for Egor Local Government Council. Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia wey Egor people vote for the second time can't take oath of office among other chairmen today.
Oath of allegiance. I, Tajuddin Alade Suleiman, do solemnly swear affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Oath of office. Akoko Edo local government area in Edo State, I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithfully and in accordance of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will not allow my personal interest to influence official conduct or my decisions, that I will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect, that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person, any matter chairman, Akoko Edo local government area in Edo State, except the due discharge of my duties as chairman.
Newly elected chairman.
After the whole ceremony for Government House, Eghe and other members of the party, elected councillors and family members come carry waka enter the council office for the office handover by the Olga of the council, Dr. Igbinigie.
Handing over notes by Head of Government Officials to Permanent Secretary to Honorable Chairman the Deputy Chairman in this I will hand over the mark of Big Mommy Honorable Osas.
Eghe Ogbemudia will be former and can still be the current Egor local government chairman. Can talk say belle sweet her wella to return as the local government chairman and say she go work with all body to bring Ogboga development to Egor people.
I want to say a big thank you again. I want to thank all my leaders for your support. I want to thank you all for your prayers, for making this happen today. If not for you guys, I will not be able to do it. Because there's a parable in Benin that says, and I want to assure you that in this new government, that is starting from today, we are all in it together. We are all going to work together to make sure that our people are okay. Because you know, this is my last tenure of becoming a council chairman. After this, I will vie for a better position. Yeah. But before then, I want to lay a legacy. I want to lay things down that people will remember me for. Just the way people are remembering my father today, Eghe Ogbemudia. So thank you very much. I have a vice chairman. I have my 10 councillors. And with the 12 of us elected, we are going to do our best to make sure all our constituencies are developed. We are all going to work together. And I want to use the opportunity to plead with our leaders to please join us to take Egor forward as we are entering the new phase of Egor.
During the process of handing over, the legislative arm of the council come meet with the clerk of Egor local government and come conduct the legislative election where Bosede Omokaro, councillor for Ward 1, come emerge as the speaker, will also be the leader of the house, as the councillor Ward 5 come emerge as the deputy leader. Make una not forget say, as we see am, now so we dey talk am, we know they take blame. From Egor local government, A. Carter Ojesili, TMC TV News.